Setting up a Canon Pixma TS series printer, like the TS3122, involves several steps. Here's a general guide to help you through the setup process. 1. Unbox and prepare the printer. Unbox the printer. Remove the printer from the box along with all included accessories such as the power cord, ink cartridges, and paper trays. Remove packing materials. Take out any protective tapes or packing materials from inside and outside the printer. Install the paper tray. Attach the paper tray to the printer.
2. Install ink cartridges. Power on. Connect the power cord to the printer and plug it into an electrical outlet. Turn on the printer using the power button. Open the ink cartridge compartment. The print head will move to the center. Wait until it stops moving. Install cartridges. Unwrap the ink cartridges. Insert each cartridge into its corresponding slot. They should click into place. Close the cartridge compartment. Make sure it's securely closed. 3. Load paper. Adjust paper guides. Slide the paper guides in the paper tray to fit the size of your paper. Load paper. Place a stack of paper into the tray and adjust the guides so they lightly touch the edges of the paper. 4. Install printer software. 4. Windows. Connect printer to computer. Use a USB cable or set up the wireless connection if preferred. Download software. Go to the Canon support website and download the latest drivers and software for your model, e.g., TS3122. Run the installer. Open the downloaded file and follow the installation wizard instructions to install the drivers and software. For Mac OS. Connect printer to computer. Connect via USB cable or set up a wireless connection. Download software. Visit the Canon support website and download the appropriate software for your macOS version. Install the software. Open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. 5. Set up wireless connection, if applicable. Access wireless settings. On the printer's control panel, press the Wi-Fi button to enter wireless mode. Select your network. Use the printer's control panel to select your Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks. Enter password. Input your Wi-Fi password when prompted and confirm the connection. 6. Configure printer settings. Printer configuration. You may need to configure additional settings like paper size, print quality, and other preferences using the printer's control panel or the printer software installed on your computer. 7. Test the printer. Print a test page. From your computer, open a document and send it to print to ensure everything is working correctly. Additional tips. Keep firmware updated. Check for firmware updates on Canon support page to ensure your printer has the latest features and fixes. Consult the manual. Refer to the printer's user manual for detailed instructions specific to your model. If you encounter any issues, Canon's website often has troubleshooting guides, or you can contact their support for assistance.